Good morning, students. Now we are going to see 7th standard mathematics, chapter 9, ratio and proportion, topic profit and loss. Let's see profit. The amount gained by selling a product with more than its cost price. For example, spend 50 rupees, earned 30 rupees more. Made 80 rupees. When someone makes more money, spending lesser money. Profit formula: selling price minus cost price, or selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiple 100%, or selling price minus cost price divided by cost price multiple 100%. Loss: the amount the seller incurs after selling the product less than its cost price is mentioned as a loss. For example, orange market rate 1 kg rupees 100, but to sale rupees 50. Here 50 rupees loss. Loss formula: loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, or selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price multiple 100%, or cost price minus selling price divided by cost price multiple 100%. Let's see example 21. Calculate the profit or loss percentage in each case. CP is equal to rupees 200 and SP is equal to rupees 180. Let us find the solution. Here, cost price greater than selling price, there is a loss. So use the loss formula. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. So CP value rupees 200 minus SP value rupees 180. Loss equal to rupees 20. Now find loss percentage. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by CP multiple 100%. Loss rupees 20. Substitute the values: 20 divided by CP 200 multiple 100%. Now cancel the common factors. 100s are 100, 200s are 200. We get 20 divided by 2. Now cancel the common factors. 1 2 is 2, 10 2s are 20. Loss percentage is equal to 10%. Let's see second problem. CP is equal to rupees 350 and SP is equal to rupees 420. Let us find the solution. Since SP greater than CP, there is a profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP value rupees 420 minus CP value rupees 350. Substitute the values. Subtract the values. Profit is equal to rupees 70. Let us find profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by CP multiple 100%. Substitute the values. Profit equal to 70 rupees. 70 divided by CP 350. Substitute 350 multiple 100%. Now cancel the common factors. 170 is 70, 570 is 350. We get 100% divided by 5. Now cancel the common factors. 1 5s are 5, 25s are 100. Profit percentage is equal to 20%. Let's see exercise 9.5. First one, CP is equal to rupees 75, loss equal to rupees 6. Find SP and loss percentage. Let us find the solution. First we have to find out the SP. SP is equal to CP minus loss. CP value rupees 75 minus loss rupees 6. Substitute the values. So we get the SP is equal to rupees 69. Now find loss percentage. Loss percentage formula: loss percentage is equal to loss divided by CP into 100%. Loss 6, CP 75 into 100%. Substitute the values. Now cancel the common factors. 325s are 75, 425s are 100. Remaining 6 into 4 divided by 3. 6 4. Now cancel the common factor. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. Now get Loss percentage is equal to 8%. Let's see fourth problem. CP is equal to rupees 96. Profit percentage is equal to 10%. We have to find SP and profit. Let us find the solution. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by CP into 100%. Profit 10% equal to profit divided by CP 96 into 100%. Here 96 and 100 transposing to LHS. So profit equal to 10% into 96 divided by 100%. Now cancel the common factors. 1 tens are 10, 10 tens are 100. We get profit equal to 96 divided by 10. So profit equal to rupees 9 rupees 60 paise. Let us find SP. SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP value rupees 96, profit rupees 9 rupees 60 paise. Adding the values, SP equal to rupees 105 rupees 60 paise. Let's see second problem. A boy buys a bat for rupees 145 and sells it for rupees 162.40 paise. Find his gain percent. Let us find the solution. Cost price of a bat rupees 145. Selling price of a bat rupees 162.40 paise. Let us find profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Substitute the values. SP rupees 162 rupees 40 paise minus CP rupees 145. Subtract the values. Profit equal to rupees 17 rupees 40 paise. Next to find profit percentage. Profit percentage equal to profit divided by CP into 100%. Substitute the values. 17.4 divided by 145 into 100%. 17.4 into 100 multiple, we get 1740 divided by 145. Cancel the common factors. 145 are 145. 12 145 are 1740. We get the profit percentage equal to 12%. Let's see fifth one. A man buys an article for rupees 1500 and sells it at a loss of rupees 60 for rupees 80 paise. Find the selling price of the article. Let us find the solution. Cost price of an article rupees 1500. Loss rupees 60 for rupees 80 paise. Selling price of an article. Selling price equal to CP minus loss. CP equal to 1500. Loss 60 for rupees 80 paise. Substitute the values. We have to subtract. Selling price of an article rupees 1435 rupees 20 paise. A person bought a steel cupboard for rupees 2465 and spent rupees 35 to transport it to his house. At what rate must he sell it so as to gain 15% overall? Let us find the solution. CP of steel cupboard rupees 2465. Money spent on transporting rupees 35. Total CP rupees 2465 plus rupees 35. We get rupees 2500. According to the question, gain is equal to 15%. Gain means profit. CP equal to rupees 2500. Let us find SP. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by CP into 100%. Substitute the values. Profit percentage 15% is equal to profit divided by 2500 into 100%. Profit equal to 15 into 2500 divided by 100. Now cancel the common factors. Profit equal to 15 into 25. 15 into 25, 375. Profit equal to rupees 375. Now find SP. SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP equal to rupees 2500 plus profit rupees 375. Adding the values. SP of cupboard equal to rupees 2875. Thank you, students.